Are you looking for the best commercial ice maker in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best commercial ice maker that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the ETL Approved Ice Machine, holding up to 99 pounds of ice. The ETL Approved Ice Machine features an 850W compressor that can easily produce 144 clear cubes in a matter of 10 minutes. It comes equipped with a premium water filter that turns tap water into the purest possible cubes, so the 0.9-inch ice cubes are always hard and cloudless. This commercial ice machine is produced from brushed high-quality stainless steel, making it durable, but also nice to look at, ideal for displaying in restaurants, supermarkets, and hotels. Its interior has a food-grade liner that keeps the ice cubes solid for up to 7 hours. This commercial ice machine also features a one-button auto-clean function, which cleans all pipes and trays, ensuring the ice cubes are always odor-free. Many customers describe it as an excellent ice machine, and one customer wrote, "I have drilling rig in service trucks, and helpers love the ice." Up next in the 4th place is the NewAir Portable Ice Maker. The compact NewAir Portable Ice Machine fits on bar countertops for commercial and even home and RV use. However, don't let its small size fool you. This ice maker produces high-quality ice cubes and fasts the first batch within the first 10 minutes of use, and up to 50 pounds per day. It features an ice thickness adjustment setting for small, medium, and large ice cubes. This elite ice machine sports a stainless steel body, a removable ice storage bin, and an ice scoop. It has a self-cleaning function and a convenient water-draining hose at the side to make daily maintenance an easy task. Customers commented time and again how powerful and quiet this model is, with very little energy consumption compared to most commercial ice makers, making it a preferable option for countertops that are even near clients, as it practically goes unnoticed. The 3rd product on our list is the Scotsman Q50G Undercounter Ice Maker. As one of the most popular best commercial ice makers, both in terms of brand and type, this Undercounter ice machine by Scotsman, the Q50G, is a stainless steel ice machine that produces ice at the incredible rate of 64 pounds per day, and its storage bin can hold up to 26 pounds at a time. Its compact size can fit under a bar or inside a regular 15-inch cabinet. The water quality sensor technology can recognize hard water conditions and purge minerals to maximize the time required between professional descaling cleanings. Its easy-to-use control panel informs you about the power levels, has a cleanup reminder light, and alerts you when there is no water input. One happy long-term Scotsman customer of almost 50 years commented, "They were top of the line then, and I am pleased with the quality of the machine I purchased, judging from its fit and finish and operation to date." 2nd on our list is the UHMI air-cooled commercial ice machine. Whatever your setting, commercial ice machines, such as the UHMI commercial ice maker, is ideal if you need a reliable machine that can produce a lot of ice, as it can churn out ice at a very fast pace of 100 pounds per day. And it comes with a large ice storage bin with a 33-pound capacity. The innovative ice bin has a sensor that recognizes when it's full and halts production, so it will never overflow or have ice melt either. It will then turn itself back on as needed to replace any melting ice and keep itself full, according to one customer, thanks to its air-cooled condensers. This commercial ice maker machine is ETL certified for restaurants, bars, hotels, and grocery stores, is one of the best commercial ice machines for energy conservation, and has an energy preservation certificate. The machine has a self-cleaning button, though regular deep cleaning of the inside of the tank and removing the water supply hose is recommended. Finally, the top product on our list is the ETL Wi-Fi 100V Ice Machine. For tech fiends or gadget enthusiasts, The innovative Vever Wi-Fi 10V commercial ice machine comes equipped with a 5-inch touchscreen and Wi-Fi remote operation, including startup, stop, cleaning functions, and fault prompts. It has a 566 W-second compressor and a production capacity of 300 pounds of ice cubes per day. This machine produces a 0.9-inch cube of ice and is made of stainless steel with a double layer of thickened foam insulation, which keeps the ice bin cool for up to 7 hours even in warm climates. As one of the best commercial ice makers with Wi-Fi, customers consistently commented. It was surprisingly easy to set up and control, even from their mobile phones. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.